Okay, so let's be honest. At some point in the process of trying to buy or sell a house, you've probably thought to yourself, "Can't I just do this myself? We got Zillow, we got Trulia, the internet. Maybe I could just do a FISBO or something. Do I have to worry about what percentage goes to who?" It seems ridiculous, right? So of course, there's tons of ways for you as a consumer to do it yourself, save some money, and the internet's a great place to start. It's a lot of powerful tools that are available to you. But I wanted to show you some reasons why you might want to bring an agent into it, and what some previous customers have told me was valuable to them. So the thing I hear the most is that experience is really important. So having an agent and a team behind him that has done this multiple times and experienced many different things compensates for the fact that this is probably not something you've done a lot in your life. Maybe you have bought a house before, it was probably many years ago, but it's not something you do every day, right? It's a pretty long and complex process. There's a lot of contract paperwork. We deal with contractors in some cases, appraisers, inspectors, and so forth that we run as interference for our customer. So when you do use an agent like myself, we have done this a number of times already. We know what to look for. We know what the pitfalls are, and we're going to help you avoid those issues. The second thing I hear a lot is that buying a home or selling a home it's a big deal. It's a lot of money, and it could be a very emotional process. So one of the things that I'm relied on for is to have a voice of reason and be objective about what we're doing. There's a lot of pressures you're probably facing. Is my spouse really like this, or just saying that? Are my kids going to be safe here and happy here? Are the schools good? Am I going to like the neighborhood? Things like that. So we're going to help you get through those things. Through my experiences, I've seen a lot of homes and worked with a lot of people, and we've worked through these experiences together. And by having that, to be able to share that information with you is going to make it so much easier. So one of the other considerations also is access to things that you might not otherwise have, like the MLS system. We might be able to find homes that you might not be able to find. But the accuracy that goes behind that is like that's a live system. So if an agent makes a change in there, it then filters out to all the other IDX pages, and you'll be able to see that information there. But what you need to understand is that when you work with an agent, you're getting the most up-to-date information that is available. Ultimately, the reason you need to hire an agent is it can feel like a lot. You need a friend through the hard times, through the emotional times, through the ups and downs of the process, because they will be there. And someone that has experience and can guide you through that. You need someone that's done it before and can negotiate for you and fight for you for the things that you deserve. So you're not just doing it all on your own. And lastly, probably maybe most importantly, is you need somebody that you can trust. Someone that can walk you through each step of the process and get the right fit for your family and the right location. And hopefully some of this resonates with you. If so, let's see if we can partner together to make sure that you have the best experience possible in the transaction of buying or selling your home and the least amount of stress. Have a great day.